Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and buy gift cards with credit card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. Access the website where you would like to buy your gift card. So for example, you have a buy Xbox gift card here in the Microsoft. All you have to do is visit the particular website of yours, and once you are in that website, all you have to do is check out your gift card and tap on this add to cart. This will work for any website where you would like to buy your gift cards. And here in this section, you can see we're in the card section. We're gonna go ahead, tap on this checkout afterward, and here in the checkout section you're gonna see we have first step 1, the payment. Here in this payment method, all you have to do is you have to choose this option of credit or debit card instead of e-wallet. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to scroll a bit and then simply choose a Visa card and simply enter your card holder name here, your card number, your expiry date, your CVV number, and address line in the bottom. Once you have added all of the information accordingly, including your city, state, zip codes, country, region, and then you're simply gonna head tap on the save. Once you're done, you're gonna again proceed to checkout and then confirm your payment. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.